Okay.
Just turn it on.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. Sorry I haven't vlogged in a while. What do you guys think of the hat? We got new hats, guys. Very excited. They came out pretty good. And I hope you guys like them. As you can see, we do have some over there on that side. So this is a recap on the, let me have a seat. So pretty much what this is a recap on our year, right? Kind of going over everything we did over the whole year. Why did we start the vlogs or the channel? Again, the thing is, to motivate, teach people, knowledge is power. We love cars, the car culture. And, I guess you could say I got tired of hearing people saying that Reno is a shit hole when it comes to the car community. Actually, I think Reno is a very good car community. A lot of cool car people, a lot of cool events. We have Hot August Nights, which is muscle car, not an import. But if you have a classic import, you can go to those events. So there's just a lot of cool stuff like Cars and Coffee and things like that, right? Let's go over the videos. Let's just recap for 2018. It was a very exciting year. We have the CRX. It's very unique, and people kept asking about it. Like, what is it? What kind of car is it? Can I see it? A lot of people had a lot of questions. So what I did is I made a video on the CRX, and then after I made that video, Omar and Christian wanted to come over to the house to check it out. Now I know these guys, so they came over and I recorded their cars a little bit, and that's kind of how the vlog started, just kind of going over people's cars and things like that. We had a couple Cars and Coffee videos. We didn't really know what we were going to do with the channel. That's just kind of how we started. We did a Just Cuz meet. Thank you to the guys and girls that supported that event. We still do some of those meets, kind of a short notice kind of deal. So CRX, Just Cuz meet. Instagram has helped out a lot. Promoting this. I'm gonna start using Facebook maybe. I don't have a Snapchat. Maybe I'll start using a Snapchat. We did Brian. Brian was doing YouTube as well. He goes at Cars and Coffee. I met him out there. Really nice guy. And he bought a freaking cool car. He bought an R32. Unfortunately, he did wreck it. It's totaled. He sold it in an auction. That sucks. But he's good and his girlfriend's good. Cars can be replaced. I mean, it would suck if I wrecked one of my cars, so it's easier said than done, or going through that experience. We did some cinematic. Cinematic was okay. A lot of people don't like just watching cars driving around as much. And we went to the Cruising Down Memory Lane car show, hosted by Ed. That was a cool car show for the vets and things like that, retired seniors. But we kept doing Cars and Coffee. Then Luis from New Era, or the car club, with the Rocket Bunny with the BRZ, wanted to do a vlog on his. He's a little camera shy, but thank you, Luis. That car's badass. He bought that car brand new, and he made it what it is today. Some like yard cleaning, some home stuff, seeing what people liked. Then we did a vlog review on Chido's WRX. Chido's, he's lowered it, put exhaust. He's gone through like 2-3 different kind of wheels. And then there was a kid in Carson City. His name is Caesar, and Caesar.411. He saw my channel, and he wanted to be in it as well. And he has a big page actually. He just changed his page on Instagram. He has about 15,000 followers. So he came over, young kid. He bought that car when he was 14. Cool vlog. Thank you, Caesar, for the support. He's helped out with the videos too. And then we had the funny guy, Muscle. Javier with Camaro, the ZL1. That guy's hella funny. But sometimes people get their feelings hurt, because he jokes a little too much. I don't care. I think it's funny. And then you had your RSX Type S. Luis. Actually, excuse me. He got rid of that car, and he got a blow by a WRX, like a 2005 or 4. Thank you, Luis. That video actually is doing pretty well. Then we had the VIP Lexus, Edgar. Edgar has a lot of things going on too, guys. He's selling the car, so you guys know. Hit him up on his Instagram. You know, so he's trying to get his business going. He no longer works at the dealership, from my understanding. So he does repair and wraps and things like that. If you guys need anything, hit him up. And then we had Ricardo's 350Z. That was actually the first vlog that I actually drove the car. He actually offered to drive it and to get a hands-on experience on actually how the car drives. And I was really happy with that car. ZZ was nice, you know, manual, 5-speed, very smooth. Ricardo, thank you for the support. He's been a supporter from the beginning. Then, you know, we did the Veterans Parkway. We drove on that new highway they built. That was cool. We went to the Lexus Cars and Coffee. That was cool. A lot of cool cars out there, you know. It was fun. And then we had the Spicy FRS, you know, so Batmobile.86, you know, he moved to Arizona. His car's changed, you know, he's put some nicer wheels and things like that. And, you know, more installs on the SRT4. And then we did the vlog with Omar with the Civic on bags. That thing's badass. I drove that car too, thank you. Omar, you know, he just had a baby too, congratulations. And then also Mario and Juan. Thank you, Evo guys. That's when all the smoke was in Reno and things like that. Mario did sell the Evo. He's trying to get up like a business going as well. I don't know what he's doing now, but he's been trying to do a business. We went to the Drift Evolution. That was a cool event. I didn't get to ride in a car. Maybe next year I'll get to ride in a car. If you guys know somebody, you know, so we can get some good footage. Some family video, you know, vlog too. And then we did these freaking crazy. We did this crazy truck from Nocturnal Javi. That thing was freaking fire. That truck is, they call it a heavy hitter in the car show or truck industry. That truck is fucking fire. But anyway, Javi, thank you. AGT as well, you know, Abel, badass Silverado on bags. I learned something new from those trucks because, you know, we usually do cars. It was cool to learn something new and the passion behind it. We're gonna get more of those trucks on the vlogs. We did the Odd Miata. Short notice, he didn't know we were doing a vlog. Cool, unique. I haven't seen him in a while. You know, I met him that day and we did a vlog, and we had, you know, it was cool. You guys saw the vlog, I hope. We did Manny. We did Manny with the Prelude. The Prelude, that one was funny, I think. You know, Modelo time. He ended up getting nervous. He got nervous and he needed a beer. So Modelo time, right? So that was a cool vlog. Luis also helped out with that, with the drone footage. Oil change in the Denali just to teach people some stuff. And then we went out and raced go-karts. We raced go-karts as well, and obviously Javi, the muscle car guy, took first place. You know, that was fun. I mean, if you guys watch the vlog, we're gonna do it again every year now, as long as we do these vlogs. Thanks to the other people that supported the event and showed up and watched or raced. You guys know who you are. We did have a car that broke down on the vlog. That was the first. His tranny went out third gear. Miguel. His video actually is prohibited in some countries because of the name of his Instagram. Dude, that guy had a cool attitude, you know, when his car broke. He wasn't pissed, he just kind of knows it's part of the game. When you have cars like that, I mean, you have like a 500, 600 horsepower engine on a stock 2007 WRX tranny. Obviously, he was cool. That guy had the car running the next day. So, mad respect for him. You know, he knew his car very well. More Cars and Coffee, and then we did Michael Ochoa, and then we did with the Civic on bags. Very nice kid, you know, both Michael and Reyes, cool guys. Appreciate you guys being on the vlog. Cool Hondas. Mugen Supercharged is very rare. And then the 20, you know, brand new Civic, one of his first cars that he's building from the bottom up, was really cool to see. Then we had to bring some American muscle. You know, we had a Moose, your boy Moose, and your boy Goose. So it was this is Moose. His name is Miguel too, and we did some American Muscle. Those guys have a really cool attitude as well. I mean, everybody in the vlog has had a cool attitude, has been very supportive. I want to thank all you guys for that. I appreciate every single car on the vlog. But the Mustang was cool. Yeah, he had Christmas lights in the Mustang too. And then at the last one we did, it was a Silverado, the Z71. I kept saying ZL1. It's not a ZL1. I do apologize about that. I'll fix that. But a Z71 George. We went off road and we went shooting. We did something different. You know, we were blessed and lucky to go out to be able to go shooting out in the middle of nowhere. But we went off road. It was pretty cool. We're at 476 subscribers. Thank you guys for all the support. And also I made a logo. You know, I got it digitized, and I had a graphic designer design these logos. My brother-in-law Gio helped out. You know, I told him my ideas that I had, and he drew it. He tattooed, so he drew it. These are the results of the hats and the ideas that I had in my head with the silhouette behind the cars. I hope you guys like the hats. And we're not in it to get rich off of this, guys. We're just in it to put, you know, to have a little bit extra money to go racing, go to the racetrack, maybe buy trophies. You know, just let's put Reno on the map, right, guys? So what's gonna happen in 2019? We're gonna do more car shows. We're gonna do more merch. We're gonna do more videos, hopefully. We're gonna do more cars, more race events, like anything that has to do with cars. You know, let us know too if you guys want to see everything cars, or do you guys want to see some personal life things going on. You know, so the tow truck, it's not registered. It works. It's ready to go, but I haven't registered it. A business, you know, all that stuff's kind of expensive, and I'm waiting for this year coming up. It was all timed. I just bought it kind of in advance. But 2019 hopefully is the year where it comes out, and if I start towing, I'll post it. I'll let you guys know. It is a low-profile tow truck that can. It's an LP, like special edition tow truck that can tow cars like this. That's why I bought it, and I could use it to go to like to the races or car shows and put the cars in the back. I know you guys keep telling me you guys want to see more on the Evo. I might register it in the beginning of the summer or spring. You know, the GTR I can drive anytime. The CRX, I know you guys asked me about that too. You know, some of the things I didn't cover, I guess I should cover too, is you know, the CRX is the most watched video. So I want to thank all you guys for your support. The Honda community has been very supportive of that car. Most watched video, guys. I mean, you can't argue with that. I mean, the CRX video has, believe it or not, that video has 13,000 views. That's crazy. I didn't think one of my videos would do that many views. That's pretty cool. I mean, we're only going to continue to grow from here, but thank you guys. Let's see what the second most watched video is. You know, we got to give props where it's due. Let's see, I think it's the RSX, Luis. Yeah, the RSX has 3,200 views, give or take. Then you have the VIP Lexus Edgar with 1,600. Let's see, the Javi's truck has almost about to hit 1,000. And then I have Manny, you know, my boy Manny, he's at 1,400 views. So good job, guys. You know, you guys are climbing up there. The Hondas are doing pretty good too, like the Mugen and the Civic, 441 views. Good job, guys. I forgot what more. The Honda Omar has 1,200 views. So again, if you guys are paying attention, the Honda car community actually is very supportive. Those are the most watched videos. You got the CRX, you got the RSX, and you got Omar's Civic. So, and now you have the Mugen and the other Civic kind of creeping up. I mean, all the other videos, you know, they're good videos. They're just not, they don't have as many views as the other ones, but props to those videos. Again, thank you guys for your support. I hope you guys enjoy the footage, the vlogs. What do you guys want to see more of? You know, the Evo, the CRX. I can't focus on everything, guys, because there's too much stuff going on. So I gotta kind of try to, I need your guys' help to tell me where do you guys want me to focus, the Evo or the CRX or the GTR or the SRT4, right? Vlogs, vlog reviews, car shows, racetrack. What do you want to see more of? Do you guys want me to like spend more time with a certain kind of car? Do you guys want me to record footage when cars on the vlogs get work done, when they work on them, when they do things to their cars, or updates? You know, like now Luis the Blobeye has a WRX. Do you guys want to see updates? I mean, what do you guys want? You know, let me know. I'm up for ideas. That's what the vlog is for you guys and the car community here in Reno and anywhere. I mean, if we travel and we go anywhere, we'd like to meet new people, and we met a lot of cool car people. I'm very appreciative of how humble everybody is, and these younger kids. But yeah, also SB Media. I know he takes hella good pictures. But yeah, there's been a lot of cool cars, a lot of cool people that I've met this whole year because of the cars. Again, you know, and yeah, SB Media, shout out to you, man. Cool pictures. That picture actually that he took made it on GTR Goals. I mean, I think it's over like 1,500 likes. So that guy takes amazing picture, guys. Really nice kid. You know, he's learning more and more, and he's only getting better. If it wasn't for you guys, there would be no channel. The cool thing about YouTube is that the footage that you have in your post, that's always going to be there, and it's going to motivate people. And, but anyway, that's it, guys. I don't want to bore you. Thank you, guys. Have a Merry Christmas. Spend time with your family. Have a good end of the year. I'm not going to do any more videos for the end of the year, but I do appreciate every single one of you guys. If you guys want to order a hat or anything like that, let me know. Just send me a message. Just let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys, and God bless you guys. Have a good Happy New Year.
Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today.